Hi, I'm Master Lukey, and this is my DINO chocolate coin. And I'm gonna do a product review. DINO because it has pumpkin seed in it. I don't want to push too hard and break this glass. Wait.
Look. Glass. Put something wood under there. From upstairs, you have a big wood thing.
Okay. Here you go, Mikey.
Thank you.
Just take one of those pieces. Okay.
Did you make that chocolate?
Yeah.
What's in it?
Coconut sugar and pumpkin seeds. Wanna try?
Crushed seeds or
Yeah.
whole seeds?
Chopped.
Chopped, okay. I think I had one of these before. Yeah, good.
What do you think, Maggie? Tastes good?
You want this light on, or the other one on, or both?
You can turn it off.
I'll put this on.
8 out of 10 recommend? It's a little hard because it's frozen. MasterLucky.com. Actually, it's on Life Food. You click where it says Life Food. Restarting chocolate, yeah.